Topic is correlation analysis. Topic is correlation analysis. The idea of correlation was given by Carl Pearson. Carl Pearson is statistician name. Carl Pearson is statistician name. The idea of correlation was given by Carl Pearson. What is the correlation? Definition. If consider two variables x and y, consider two variables x and y, the relationship between those two variables is called correlation. Consider two variables x and y, the relationship between those two variables is called correlation. For example, x is a variable, y is another variable. X is a variable, y is another variable. X income and savings, there is a relation between two variables. Income and expenditure, there is a relation between two variables. Two variables, the relationship between those two variables is called correlation. If there is no relation between two variables, those relation is no correlation, uncorrelation. If it is no relation, that is uncorrelation. Next, coefficient of correlation. It is the corresponding relative measure of correlation. What is the definition? Coefficient of correlation. It is the corresponding relative measure of correlation. According to AM 13, an analysis of covariance between two related variables. An analysis of covariance between two related variables is called coefficient of correlation or correlation coefficient. It is denoted by R, P, R of x comma y, P of x comma y, Rxy, Pxy, Rxy or Pxy. Coefficient of correlation is also known as correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient lies between -1 to +1. Both limits are included. That is -1 less than or equal to r less than or equal to +1. -1 less than or equal to r less than or equal to +1. Next, what is covariance? What is covariance? If the occurrence of change in one variable leads to the occurrence of change in corresponding related variable. If the occurrence of change in one variable leads to the occurrence of change in corresponding related variable is called covariance. It is denoted by covariance of x comma y. Covariance of x comma y. Formula for calculating covariance of x comma y is summation xy by n minus summation x into summation y by n square, where n is number of pairs of observations. Because correlation is a bivariate analysis. Two variables will be used. Central tendency and dispersion is a univariate distribution. Only single variable will be used. Correlation and regression analysis is a bivariate distribution. Two variables will be used. Summation xy by n minus summation x into summation y by n square. Summation xy by n minus n square is n into n. Summation x by n into summation y by n. Summation x by n is x bar. Summation y by n is y bar. Simply covariance of x comma y formula summation xy by n minus x bar into y bar, where n is number of pairs of observations. Covariance of x comma y value may be positive or negative or 0. If covariance of x comma y is 0, then the correlation coefficient r is 0. Covariance of x comma y value may be positive or negative or 0. If the covariance of x comma y is 0, then the correlation coefficient r is 0. Next, types of correlation. This is introduction. Introduction was completed for ASF and NIF students, not completed for ACP students. That's why I will explain types of correlation. First, positive correlation. Positive correlation. If the value of the two variables are deviate in the same direction, if the value of the two variables are deviate in the same direction, either two variables are in upward direction or either two variables are in downward direction, x and y, two variables, one variable is x, another variable is y, x and y. If the value of the two variables are deviate in the same direction, either upward direction or downward direction, then those correlation is called positive correlation. This variable r lies between 0 to 1. R lies between 0 to 1. Positive correlation is also known as direct correlation. Positive correlation is also known as direct correlation. Next, negative correlation. Second one, negative correlation. Negative correlation. If the value of the two variables are deviate in the opposite direction, if means one variable increases, another variable decreases, or one variable decreases, another variable increases, x, y, x, y. The value of the two variables are deviate in the same direction is positive correlation, opposite direction is negative correlation. In this correlation, r lies between -1 to 0. Positive correlation 0 to 1, negative correlation -1 to 0. In negative correlation is also known as inverse correlation. Positive correlation is also known as direct correlation. Negative correlation is also known as inverse correlation. Next, linear correlation. If the plotted points x, y are approximately on or near a straight line, if the plotted points x, y are approximately on or near, all points plotted points x, y are approximately on or near about a straight line. On or near about a straight line is called linear correlation. On or near. If the plotted points x, y are approximately on or near a straight line is called linear correlation. Next, perfect linear correlation. Perfect linear correlation. If all the plotted points lies exactly on a straight line. If all the plotted points lies exactly on a straight line is called perfect linear correlation. If the all plotted points x, y are approximately on or near a straight line is linear correlation. All points lies exactly on a straight line is perfect linear correlation. Next, perfect positive correlation. Perfect positive correlation. If the correlation is perfectly linear, means all points lies exactly on a straight line. If the correlation is perfectly linear, means all points lies exactly on a straight line. If the correlation is perfectly linear and the line runs from lower left hand corner to upper right hand corner. If the correlation is perfectly linear and the line runs from lower left hand corner to upper right hand corner, in this case r equal to +1. In this case r equal to +1. Next, perfect negative correlation. Next type is perfect negative correlation. Perfect negative correlation. If the correlation is perfectly linear means all points are lies exactly on a straight line. If the correlation is perfectly linear and the line runs from upper left hand corner to lower right hand corner, and the line runs from upper left hand corner, all points lies exactly on a straight line and the line runs from upper left hand corner to lower right hand corner. In this case r equal to -1. In this case r equal to -1. Next, high degree positive correlation. High degree positive correlation. If the plotted points x, y, falls in a narrow band shape, if the plotted points x, y falls in a narrow band shape, and the points are rising from lower left hand corner to upper right hand corner. The plotted points x comma y falls in a narrow band shape and the points are rising from lower left hand corner to upper right hand corner. In this case, R lies between 0.75 to 1. In this case, R lies between 0.75 to 1. Next to high degree negative correlation. High degree negative correlation. Say if the plotted points x comma y falls in a narrow band shape and the points are rising from upper left hand corner to lower right hand corner. Points are rising from upper left hand corner to lower right hand corner. Upper left hand corner to lower right hand corner. All positive correlation upper left hand corner to lower right hand corner. All positive correlations lower left hand corner to upper right hand corner. All negative correlations upper left hand corner to lower right hand corner. In this case, R lies between -1 to 0.75. -1 to 0.75. Next, low degree positive correlation. Low degree positive correlation. The points are scattered much away from the straight line. The points are scattered much away from the straight line and the line runs from lower left hand corner to upper right hand corner. All positive correlations right line lower left hand corner to upper right hand corner. All negative correlation line starts from upper left hand corner to lower right hand corner. This is low degree positive correlation. Straight line runs from lower left hand corner to upper right hand corner. The points are scattered much away from the straight line. Points are scattered much away from the straight line and the line runs from lower left hand corner to upper right hand corner. And the line runs from lower left hand corner to upper right hand corner. In this case, R lies between 0 to 0.5. R lies between 0 to 0.5. Next, low degree negative correlation. Low degree negative correlation. Reverse, negative, reverse. The points are scattered much away from the straight line and the line runs from upper left hand corner to lower right hand corner. The points are scattered much away from the straight line and the line runs from upper left hand corner to lower right hand corner. Much away from the straight line. Much away from the straight line and the line runs from upper left hand corner to lower right hand corner. In this case, R lies between -0.5 to 0. -0.5 to 0. Last type, zero correlation. Zero correlation is also known as no correlation. No correlation or zero correlation or uncorrelation or spurious correlation or non-linear correlation or curvilinear correlation. Zero correlation is also known as no correlation or uncorrelation or non-linear correlation or curvilinear correlation or spurious correlation. Zero correlation. If the plotted points x comma y lies all over the graph paper, if plotted points x comma y lies all over the graph paper, then there is no correlation between the two variables and those variables are said to be independent. If the plotted points x comma y lies all over the graph paper, lies scattered all over the graph paper. If the plotted points x comma y lies scattered all over the graph paper, then there is no correlation between the two variables, and those variables are said to be independent. Means two variables are independent. For example, shoe size and intelligence. There is no relation between the two variables. Shoe size and intelligence. There is no relation between the two variables. In this case, r equal to 0. Zero correlation is also known as no correlation, uncorrelation, non-linear correlation, curvilinear correlation, spurious correlation. Curvilinear correlation. These all are the types of correlation. Next, methods to study the coefficient of correlation. Methods to study the coefficient of correlation. Methods to study the coefficient of correlation. Coefficient of correlation is also known as correlation coefficient. First method is Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Next, second, Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Third one, coefficient of concurrent deviations. Coefficient of concurrent deviations. Fourth one, scatter diagram method. Scatter diagram. Fifth one, regression coefficients method. Regression coefficients method. First, second, fourth essay questions. Fourth one 2 marks. Third one not important. First, second to fifth essay questions. Fourth one 2 marks. Third one not important. Third one is for A7 ACP students. NIF, this is not in your syllabus. Third one is not in your syllabus for NIF students. These are the methods for calculating correlation coefficient or coefficient of correlation. First method is Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. First one and second one very important. Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient is suitable for quantitative data, not qualitative data. Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient, quantitative data. Karl Pearson's. Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation is suitable for quantitative data. Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient is also known as product movement correlation coefficient. In this method, R value is calculated by way of three methods. In this correlation coefficient, R value is calculated by way of three methods: direct method, shortcut method, product movement method. Same answer in three methods. First one, direct method. Direct method is also known as deviations taken from arithmetic mean method. Once see your formula sheets. First open your formula sheet and check these formulas. Direct method is also known as deviations taken from arithmetic mean method. Shortcut method is also known as deviations taken from assumed mean method. Shortcut method is also known as deviations taken from assumed mean method. Last one, product movement method. Product movement method. First, direct method. Direct method is also known as deviations taken from assumed mean method. Deviations taken from arithmetic mean method. Shortcut method is also known as deviations taken from assumed mean method. First, R formula. Summation dx dy by square root of summation dx square into summation dy square. Deviations taken from arithmetic mean method. Dx equal to x minus x bar, dy equal to y minus y bar. X bar equal to summation x by n, y bar equal to summation y by n, where n is number of pairs of observations. Another format derivative is r equal to summation dx dy by n into standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y. Same answer in three methods. We will use any one of those methods. If it is mentioned in question by using shortcut method, then applying shortcut method formula. Next, shortcut method is also known as deviations taken from assumed mean method. R formula. R equal to n summation dx dy minus summation dx into summation dy by square root of n summation dx square minus summation dx whole square into square root of n summation dy square minus summation dy whole square. This is the shortcut method for calculating correlation coefficient. This is deviations taken from assumed mean method. Dx equal to x minus ax, dy equal to y minus ay. What is a assumed mean? Formula minimum value plus maximum value by 2. ax minimum and maximum values are considered in x series. Ay minimum and maximum values are considered in y series. Formula a general formula a equal to minimum value plus maximum value by 2. Minimum and maximum values are considered in x series and y series. This is assumed mean. Deviations taken from assumed mean. Next, last method, product movement method. Product movement method, R formula r equal to covariance of x comma y by square root of variance of x into variance of y. Covariance of x comma y by standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y. These are the formulas for calculating Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient. Once check these formulas in your formula sheet. Same answer in three methods. Direct method, shortcut method, product movement method. First formula is easy to calculate Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient. First formula is easy. Summation dx dy by square root of summation dx square into summation dy square. Next problem. How to calculate correlation coefficient? Now I will explain one problem. I will take simple data. X values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y values 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Is a bivariate. Correlation is a bivariate data. What is the formula for calculating Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient? Simple formula is direct method. What is the simple formula? Summation dx dy by square root of summation dx square into summation dy square. Summation dx square into summation dy square. Dx equal to x minus x bar. Dx equal to x minus x bar. What is the formula for calculating x bar? X bar equal to summation x by n. What is summation x? 15. Summation x is 15. What is summation y? 30. Summation by 30. What is n? N is number of pairs of observations. Total number of pairs 5. N value 5. Summation x is 15. 15 by 5 is 3. Y bar equal to summation y by n. Summation y is 30. 30 by 5 is 6. Next, dx equal to x minus x bar. Dx equal to x minus x bar. X value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X bar value fixed. X values are different. Here x value is fixed. X value is different. X bar value fixed. Here x bar value is 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. Next, dx dx square. 2 square is 4, 1 square 1, 0 square 1, 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 2 square 4. What is summation dx square? Summation dx square 10. Summation dx square 10. Next, dy equal to y minus y bar. Dy equal to y minus y bar. Here y bar is fixed, y values are different. Y bar is 6. 2 minus 6 minus 4. 4 minus 6 minus 2. 6 minus 6 0. 8 minus 6 2. 10 minus 6 4. Next, dy square. Dy square 4 square 16, 2 square 4, 0 4 16. What is summation dy square? 40. Next, dx dy. Dx into dy. Dx into dy. Dx dy. 2 into minus 2 into minus 4 is 8. Next, minus 1 into minus 2 is 2. 0 into 0 0. 1 into 2 2. 4 into 2 8. 8 10 20. Next, summation dx square, summation dy square, summation dx dy values are substituted in r. Summation dx dy value 20 by summation dx square value 10. Summation dy square value 40. This is square root. 20 by 10 into 40 is 400. 20 by root 400 is 20. 20 by 20 is 1. Root 400 is 20. 20 by 20 is 1. If r value is 1, then the correlation is said to be perfect positive. What is perfect positive correlation definition? If the correlation is perfectly linear and the line runs from lower left hand corner to upper right hand corner, in this case r equal to plus 1. Here in this problem r equal to plus 1. If r equal to plus 1, then the correlation is said to be perfect positive correlation. This is the problem to calculating r using direct method. Pass. పోయిందా? Next method is second method, rank correlation coefficient. Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Rank correlation coefficient. This method is suitable for qualitative information. Quantitative is Carl Pearson's, qualitative is Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. This method is suitable for qualitative data. Rank is a qualitative variable. Under this method, R value is calculated by using following formula. R simply Spearman's rank correlation coefficient is denoted by rho. Rho equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square by n into n square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into summation d square by n into n square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into summation d square by n into n square minus 1. Where n is number of pairs of observations. D is difference between the ranks. R1 minus R2, Rx minus Ry. Two series, xy or 1, 2. D is difference between the two ranks. Formula is rho, denoted by rho. Rho equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square by n into n square minus 1, where n is number of pairs of observations and d equal to difference between the two ranks. Similarly, d equal to R1 minus R2. This is only for qualitative data, not quantitative data. Quantitative data is suitable for method Carl Pearson's. Qualitative suitable is Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Next problem. Serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, rank by Judge A. Rank by Judge A. 7, 6, 2, 4, 5, 3, 1, 8. Rank by Judge B. 5, 4, 6, 3, 8. 5, 4, 6, 3, 8. 2, 1, 7. 2, 1, 7. This is the data. Rank, qualitative data. Qualitative data. What is the formula for calculating correlation coefficient in rank? Rho equal to 1 minus 6 into summation b square by n into n square minus 1. First, Judge A is considered as R1 or Rx. Judge B is considered as R2 or Ry. Now we have to find out difference between two ranks. D equal to R1 minus R2. D equal to R1 minus R2. 7 minus 5 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 8 is minus 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 8 minus 7 is 1. This is D. D square equal to 2 square. 4 minus 2 square. 4 minus 4 square 16. Minus 4 square is plus. 1 square 1. Minus 3 square is 9. 1 square 1. 0 square 0. 1 square 1. Summation D square. 16 plus 4 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 36. Summation D square is 36. 20, 29, 30, 34, 35, 36. 36. Summation D square is 36. 1 minus 6 into summation D square 36 by n into n number of pairs. Total pairs 8. 8 into 8 square minus 1. 8 into 8 square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into 36. 216 by 8 into 8 square minus 1. 8 square is 64. 64 minus 1 is 63. 1 minus 63 into 8 is 504. 216 divided by 504. 216 divided by 504. 0.43. 1 minus 0.43 is 0.57. 0.57. Rho value 0.57. R lies between 0.57. R lies between 0.57. Correlation coefficient lies between 0.77 minus 1 to plus 1. Correlation coefficient lies between minus 1 to plus 1. These are the several methods to calculate the correlation coefficient. First method is Karl-Pearson's correlation coefficient. Second method is Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Karl-Pearson's correlation coefficient is suitable for quantitative data. Spearman's rank correlation coefficient is suitable for qualitative data. This is the first problem in rank correlation coefficient. Next problem is three judges problem. Three judges problem is very important. Three judges problem is very important. formula 1 minus 6 into summation d square by n into n square minus 1. Listen carefully. Next problem is three judges problem. Three judges problem is very important. Serial number total 10 competitors. 10 competitors in beauty contest are ranked by three judges in the following orders: Judge 1, Judge 2, Judge 3. Continuation. Use rank correlation coefficient to determine which pair of judges has the nearest approach to common taste in beauty. Which pair of judges has the nearest approach to common taste in beauty? Total 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, Judge A. Rank by Judge A. Judge A 1, 6, 5, 10. 1, 6, 5, 10. 3, 2, 4, 9. 3, 2, 4, 9, 7, 8. Next, rank by Judge B. Rank by Judge B. 3, 5, 8, 4. 3, 5, 8, 4. 7, 10, 2, 1. 7, 10, 2, 1. 6, 9. Next, rank by Judge C. Judge C. 6, 4, 9, 8. 6, 4, 9, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 10, 5, 7. 10, 5, 7. This is the data. Now we have to find out rank correlation coefficient between AB, between BC, between CA. Total 3 ranks between AB, between BC, between CA. Now we have to find out first rank correlation coefficient between A and B. A and B formula. Rank AB equal to 1 minus 6 into summation D square AB by n into n square minus 1. Here n is 10. Number of pairs 10 pairs. First D. Here D equal to, these are the ranks: Judge A minus Judge B. Judge A minus Judge B. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 6 minus 5 is 1. 5 minus 8 is minus 3. 10 minus 4 is 6. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. 2 minus 10 is minus 8. 4 minus 2 is 2. 9 minus 1 is 8. 7 minus 6 is 1. 8 minus 9 is minus 1. Next to D square. This is DAB. D square AB. Minus 2 square. 4, 1, 9, 36, 16, 64, 4, 64, 1, 1. Summation D square AB. Summation D square AB. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. Plus 16 plus 64 plus total 200. Total 200. Next, this is rank correlation coefficient between AB. 1 minus 6 into AB value 200. 200 by 10 into 10 square minus 1. 1 minus 1200 by 10 square. 100. 100 minus 1, 99. 99 into 10, 990. 120 by 99. 120 divided by 99 is 1.21. 1 minus 1.21 is minus 0.21. Minus 0.21. Next correlation coefficient is rank correlation coefficient between BC. Formula 1 minus 6 into sigma d square BC by n into n square minus 1. N into n square minus 1. Next, DBC means judge B minus judge C. Judge B minus judge C. BC 3 minus 6 minus 3. 6 5 minus 4 1. 8 minus 9 minus 1. 4 minus 8 minus 4. 7 minus 1 6. 10 minus 2 8. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 1 minus 10 minus 9. 6 minus 5 1. 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. Next, d square bc. 3 square minus 3 square 9 1 1 16 36 64 1 81 1 4. What is summation d square bc? 214. Substitute this summation d square bc value in bc. 1 minus 214 by 10 into 10 square minus 1. 1 minus 214 by 99 into 10. 990. 214 divided by 990. 0.78. 0.78. This is rank correlation coefficient. Fast answer. Fast. Next, this is correlation coefficient between rank correlation coefficient between AB. This is rank correlation coefficient between BC. Next, last one is rank correlation coefficient between AC. Means DAC equal to judge A minus judge C. Judge A minus judge C. A minus C. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 9 is minus 4. 10 minus 8 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. This is A minus C. 2 minus 2 is 0. Next, 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 minus 10 is minus 1. 7 minus 6 is 2. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. Next, d square AC minus 5 square 25 4 16 4 4 0 1 1 4 1. Summation d square AC value. Summation d square AC value 25 4 29 29 plus 16 39 45 49 53 54 55 56 60 60. What is the formula? Formula is rank correlation coefficient between AC equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square AC by n into n square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into summation d square AC is 60. 60 by 360 by 990. This is 214. 214 into 6. This is wrong value. 214 into 6. Summation B square BC value 214. 214 into 6. 1284. 1.3. 1.30 minus 0.30. AB is minus 0.21. BC is minus 0.30. AC is 0.16. AB rank correlation coefficient AB and rank correlation coefficient BC have nearest values. Both values are negative. Both values are negative. AB value minus 0.21, BC value minus 0.30, AC value 0.64. Minus 0.21 and minus 0.30 have nearest values. What is the variables? A, B and BC. A, B and BC. These two variables. B is the common. Omit the B variable. What is the remaining two variables? A, C. Rank correlation coefficient AB is minus 0.21. Rank correlation coefficient BC is minus 0.30. These both two values are nearest values. Nearest values. AB and BC. Though AB relation between AB relation between BC are nearest values. AB and BC. What is the common variable in 3, 4? B. B is the common variable. Omit the common variable and the remaining two variables are A and C. Therefore, the nearest approach to common taste in beauty is A and C. A and C is the nearest approach to common taste in beauty. That is the conclusion. Conclusion is very important. A and C is the nearest approach to common taste in beauty. This is the three judges problem. Three judges problem is very important in essay question. Pass. Next, another problem in rank correlation coefficient. Calculate rank correlation coefficient. Calculate rank correlation coefficient. Marks in statistics. Statistics is considered as X. 10, 40, 90, 80, 60. Next, marks in mathematics. Mathematics is considered as Y. 20, 30, 80, 75, 25. Two variables. Marks is a quantitative variable. Quantitative variable. What is the suitable method to calculate the correlation coefficient for quantitative data? Is Karl Pearson's. Qualitative data is Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. But given data is quantitative and correlation is rank correlation coefficient. This is the important problem. Given data is quantitative. Suitable method for correlation coefficient in quantitative data is Karl Pearson's. Qualitative data is Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. But given data is quantitative, quotient is rank correlation quotient. These are the marks. Marks is a quantitative information. Convert this quantitative data into qualitative data. Listen carefully. Convert this quantitative data into qualitative data. X is a statistics, Y is a mathematics. Now we have to find out ranks of X. What is the highest mark? Highest marks is 90. 90 rank is 1. Next highest mark is 80. 80 rank is 2. Next highest mark is 60. 60 rank is 3. Next highest mark is 40. Rank is 4. Last mark is 10. Rank 5. Next, same. in Y, RY. Highest marks 80. 80 is rank 1. Next highest mark 75, rank 2. Next highest mark 30, rank 3. Next 25, 4, 25. Now this is quality information. Rank of X, rank of Y. Next same process. Rank correlation coefficient between xy equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square xy by n into n square minus 1. First, convert the given quantitative data into qualitative data and then find out the rank correlation coefficient. This is the important step. Quantitative data is conversion of quantitative data into qualitative data and then find out the rank correlation coefficient. Formula 1 minus 6 into summation d square by n into n square minus 1. Where n is number of layers of observations. In this problem, n value 5. Total 5 layers of observations. Next, dxy equal to rx minus ry. 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 3 1, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 4 3 minus 4 minus 1. D square xy 0 1 0 0 1. Summation d square xy is 2. Summation d square xy is 2. 1 minus 6 into 2 by 5 into 5 square minus 1. 1 minus 12 by 5 square is 25. 25 minus 1 is 25 minus 1 is 24. 24 into 5 is 120. 120. 12 by 120. 0.10. 1 minus 0.10 is 0.9. 0.9. This is the another method. First is qualitative information directly formula. Next to quantitative information in rank. Convert given quantitative information into qualitative information. First highest rank is 80. Rank is considered as 1. Highest mark 90. Rank is considered as 1. Next highest mark as 80. Rank is 2. Next and so on. As well same series in Y. This is the second method. Next, this is the last method in rank correlation coefficient, and this is very, very important. Repeated ranks. Repeated ranks. Repeated observations. Repeated ranks, repeated observations. Given data x 20, 30, 38, 22, 50, 70, 30, 90, 30, 90. Next, y 50, 40, 60, 50, 40, 60, 40, 30, 20, 40, 70. It is the given data. Repeated observations. First important steps in repeated ranks is observations are arranged in descending order. Observations are arranged in descending order. X first 90, next 70, next 50, next 38, next 30 is repeated twice. 30, 30. Next 20 to 20. 20 to 20. This is X series. Next Y series. Highest mark 70. Next 60, 50, 40 is repeated thrice. 40 is repeated thrice. Next 30, 20. 30, 20. Observations are arranged in descending order. Observations are arranged in descending order. Next we have to take serial numbers. Serial numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Serial numbers. Total and number of ways of observations is 8. Next we have to take as it is the data. 20, 30, 38, 22, 50, 70, 30, 90, 50, 40, 60, 40, 30, 20, 40, 7. This is the Wurzel information. First, observations are arranged in descending order in repeated ranks. This is the repeated ranks problem. First, observations are arranged in descending order and take the given data as it is. X, Y. Next, 90 is not repeated. Serial number is 1. Then the serial number is the rank. Serial number is the rank. 90 is not repeated. Serial number is 1. Serial number is the rank. 70 is not repeated. Corresponding serial number is 2. 70 rank is 2. Next, 50 is not repeated. Corresponding serial number is 3. 3 is the serial number. 50. 3 is the serial number. Next, 38 is not repeated. Serial number is the rank. 38. 4. Next, listen carefully. Next, 30 is repeated twice, 2 times. 30 is repeated twice. Which serial numbers? 5 and 6. The average of those two serial numbers. Serial numbers is 5, 6. 5 plus 6 by 2. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 by 2 is 5.5. 5.5 is the rank of 30. 5.5. 5.5. Next, 22 is not repeated. Serial number is the rank 7. 20 is not repeated. Serial number is the rank 8. This is Rx. Next, same RY. 70 is not repeated. Serial number is the rank. 70 rank is 1. Y series. 70 is not repeated. Serial number is the rank 7. This is Y series 1. Next, 60 is not repeated. Serial number is 2. Rank is 2. 60. 2. Next, 50 is not repeated. Rank is 3. Serial number is the rank. Next, 40 is repeated thrice. Which serial numbers? 4, 5, 6 serial numbers. Average of those 3 serial numbers. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Total 3 observations. 15 by 3. 15 by 3 is 5. 5 is the rank. Observations 40. Forty is repeated thrice. 40 is repeated thrice. Serial numbers 4, 5, 6. Average of these 3 serial numbers. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 3. 10 plus 5, 15. Total 3 observations. 15 by 3, 5. Next, 30 is not repeated. Serial number is the rank. 30 is 7. Next, 20 is not repeated. Serial number is 8. Listen. Next. First, in X series, only one observation was repeated, that is 30. Only one observation was repeated, that is 30. Next, Y series, only one observation was repeated, that is 40. 30 is repeated twice, 40 is repeated thrice. Total 2 observations were repeated in X and Y series. In X series, only one observation was repeated, that is 30. 30 is repeated twice. Next, in Y series, only one observation was repeated, that is 40. 40 is repeated thrice. Total 2 observations were repeated in X series and Y series. Listen carefully. First, this is repeated ranks. First, given observations are arranged in descending order and take the serial numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, table after descending order. Taking the serial numbers after descending order, arrange in the descending order. 1, 2, 3, total 8 pairs of observations. And then take the given data as it is. After taking ranks. First, 90 is not repeated, serial number is the rank. 70 is not repeated, serial number is the rank. 50 is not repeated, serial number is the rank. 38 was not repeated, serial number is the rank. 30 was repeated twice, serial numbers 5, 6, 5, 6, average of serial numbers 5, 6, 5 plus 6 by 2, 11 by 2, 5.5. Next, quantity is repeated, not repeated, serial number is the rank. 20 is not repeated, serial number is the rank. Next, coming to Y series, 70 is not repeated, serial number is the rank. 60 is not repeated, serial number is the rank. 50 was not repeated, serial number is the rank. 40 was repeated thrice, serial numbers 5, 4, 5, 6, average of these three values 4 plus 5 plus 6, 15 by 3, 5. Next, 30 was not repeated, serial number is the rank. 20 is not repeated, serial number is the rank. Next, take the as these and take the ranks. Ranks, these are the ranks. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 11. 11 by 2 is 5.5. 5.5 is the rank. Next. These are the ranks within brackets. 1, 2, 3, 40, 40, 43 times repeated. 4 plus 5 plus 6, 15 by 3, 5. 37, 8. Next, this is quality information. Listen carefully. Next formula is Rxy equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square plus total 2 observations were repeated in X series and Y series plus 1 by 12 into m cube minus m plus 1 by 12 into m cube minus m. Total 2 observations were repeated. This term can be written as 2 times. Total 2 observations were repeated. If it is 3 observations repeated, plus 1 by 12 into m cube minus m plus 1 by 12 into m cube minus m plus 1 by 12 into m cube minus m. If 4 plus 1 by 12 into m cube minus m. In this problem, total 2 observations were repeated. We have to write only 2. Only 2. 1 plus 1 by 12 into m cube minus m plus 1 by 12 into m cube minus m. By n into n square minus 1. Next, 1 minus 6 into summation d square. D, first D. D formula Rx minus Ry. D formula Rx minus Ry. Rx minus Ry. 8 minus 3, 5. 5.5 minus 5, 0.5. 4 minus 2, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 3 minus 7, minus 4. 2 minus 8, minus 6. 5.5 minus 5, 0.5. 1 minus 1, 0.5 square, 0.25. Next, 0.5 square, 0.25. Next, 4, 4, 16, 36, 0.25, 0. Summation d square. $85.75. 85.75. Summation d square is 85.75 plus 1 by 12. 85.75. Not 85.75. 25 plus 85.75 What is m? A variable repeats number of times in a given data. In X series, 30 was repeated twice. Here m is 2. 2 cubed minus 2. In X series 30 was repeated twice. Here m is 2. M is a variable repeats number of times in a given data. In X series 30 is repeated twice. Here m is 2. Plus 1 by 12 into next. In Y series 40 is repeated thrice. Here m is 3. 3 cube minus 3. M means a variable repeats number of times in a given data. Next, n is total number of layers. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8. 8 into 8 square minus 1. 8 into 8 square minus 1. M is a variable repeats number of times in a given data. In X series 30 is repeated twice, here m is 2. In Y series 40 is repeated twice, here m is 3. Simply general means m means a variable repeats number of times in a given data. 85.50 plus 1 by 12 into 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 by 12 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5. Listen carefully. 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 by 12 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5. Plus next 3 cube is 27. 27 minus 3 is 25. 25 by 12. 24. 3 cube minus 3 is 3 cube is 27. 27 minus 3 is 24. 24 by 12 is 2. 64 minus 1 is 63. 63 into 8. 504. 504. 85, 86, 87, 88. 88 into 6. 528 by 504. 1.05 minus 0.05. This is the formula. Repeated as formula 1 minus 6 into summation d square plus total 2 observations are repeated. We have to write 2 times. 1 by 12 into m cube minus n plus 1 by 12 into m cube minus n by n square minus 1. For example, 3 observations repeated. We have to add 1 more term plus 1 by 12 into m cube minus n. In this problem, only 2 observations are repeated. Total x and y series. That's why you have to write only 2 times. Next, what is m? M means a variable repeats number of times in a given data. Number of times. In X series, only one observation was repeated 2 times. Here m is 2. In Y series, only one observation was repeated 3 times. Here m is 3. 2 cube minus 2, 3 cube minus 3. Summation d square is 85.50 plus 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 by 12 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5. 3 cube is 27. 27 minus 3 is 24. 24 by 12 is 2. Numerator 528, 85, 86, 80, 88. 88 into 6 is 528.